Here's how to make an appointment. First, go to our website writingcenter.gmu.edu. At the top right of the page, you'll see the option to log into our scheduler or register for a new account. If you've never been to the Writing Center before, click Register. Read and agree to our policies. Then, fill out the registration form using your Mason email address. Once you've registered, you'll be taken to the login page where you can log into the scheduler. Insert your email and password and select the Writing Center schedule. On the schedule, you want to find a white appointment box, which indicates that the appointment is available. You'll also see our consultants' names on the left side of the page. If you want to learn more about your consultant's academic background, you can read their bio on the Meet the Consultants page of our website. Once you find a time that works for you, click on the white box and fill out the pop-up appointment form. At the top of the form, you'll be prompted to choose your appointment format. Select face-to-face, written feedback, or Zoom. Then fill out the appointment form with the assignment information and your priorities for the session. If you'd like, you can use the attachment feature to upload the assignment prompt and your draft. Then click Create Appointment. You can also attach your documents after you've already made your appointment. To do so, click on your appointment. Then, click on Attach File at the bottom of the appointment form. You'll see the Upload feature appear, and you'll be able to attach your files. If you chose the Zoom format, your consultant will email you with a link to join the appointment. A few minutes before your appointment time, check your Mason email for a message from the Writing Center. Click on the link provided in the message to join the session. If this is your first time using Zoom, your computer will take a few moments to download the Zoom app. Make sure to allow Zoom to access your computer's camera and microphone so that you can see and hear your consultant. If you have any questions about our appointment formats or scheduling an appointment, you can email us at wcenter@gmu.edu. We look forward to working with you.